unboxing my Tatcha essentials. Ta-da-da! Look what I've got. I've got the ritual for firm skin. So let's check it out, guys. So what we have here is I have the travel size for the dewy collection. Let's open it. Let's see. Let's be extra gentle about this. Yeah, we had the rice wash and the Tatcha Dewy skincare. I really love this one because this one, it's really good for my skin because I'm really having a dehydrated skin and really sensitive also. And yeah, so I will just talk a video about this one. I'm not planning to open it, but just to show you, I have here the mini rice wash. So this is how it looks like. It's really cute and beautiful. And yeah, so within the collection we have also dewy skin mist. So this one you can use it for prep or like after makeup as well, or if you wanted you can use it also as in between the day if you don't wear anything. This is really good. This is so nice. The smell of the rice bran, the rice, the algae, and then the tea tree is so nice and really refreshing. And we have here the silicone pore perfecting sunscreen. It has SPF 35. So what I wanted to tell you guys that this one, it doesn't work only as a sunscreen. It's also, you can use it as a pore blurring skincare and as a base also. It's really good as well. It will not leave you any white patches in the skin. So this is really good. Answered prayer, right? So, I'm back again. So, ito na nga. Ito na ang pinakahihintay. Okay, so, ayan. Kaya naman may balot akong ulo ko kasi kakaligo pa lang. So, this is really perfect kapag freshness ka, diba? So, now, as you can see, I don't have anything on my eyes. I'm so sorry about the quality of the video kasi medyo malabo. Pero ayan na nga, nakikita nyo, ito talaga yung real skin ko. So, susubukan natin itong dewy skin. So, as written here, shake it gently. Parang wala nang bukas. Ganyan. And yeah, this is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. So, kita niyo naman, napaka-elegante, diba? May drama pong pag ganyan, diba? So, this is yung seal. I don't know, pero baka yun na nga yun. Seal siya, ayan. So, just to ensure that the product is not yet open. So, the packaging is really elegant and I really love the color. It's really catchy at the same time. Alam mo yun, sobrang maano ka sa kulay niya kasi ang ganda. So, subukan na natin. So, you just like twist it. So, ang paggamit niya is you just spray it 2 to 3 times like this. After you shake it, spray it. If you want more, it's up to you. Ooh, it's really the smell is really good. So far so good. This is nice. I like it. So, ito yung mini size natin. This is the mini size of Tatcha rice wash. So, naka-seal pa siya sa pila natin. Para hindi ko nabuksan yung travel size. So, this is the rice wash. Ayan siya. So, what's the good thing about this one? You just need to add water. So, ayan. Hindi ko kasi gano'n. So, medyo thick siya. Ayan, ayan siya. As makikita nyo guys, medyo parang mayroon siyang maliliit na granules. So, kapag ginamit nyo siya, sobrang gentle niya. At the same time, it will do a little bit of exfoliating on the skin. But it will not really let your skin be dry. So, you can use it daily, morning and evening. It's up to you kung paano nyo siya gagamitin. So, you can see the more you rub it, it will be more. And then you just like add some water. So, dahil nga, wala ako sa so I can show you how it is. Just give me a moment, I'm gonna wash this off. So, yeah, now it's good. Oh my god. Alam mo yun, kita mo yung pagkakaiba niya. Medyo, looking dewy siya. So, ang totoo niyan, kapag compare mo, iba yung texture nito dito. So, ang ganda ng feeling. Alam mo yung linis-linis na pakiramdam mo. So, kung bet na bet mo naman yung makeup, isa din to sa magandang gamitin. Ito na nga, yung Silken pore perfecting sunscreen at the same time. SPF 35. Sa kung makikita, diba? So, it has also a nice, elegant packaging. This one, you can apply 15 minutes before sun exposure, and then you can really apply it at least every 2 hours. What's the good thing about this one? It will decrease the risk of regular use of sunscreen, like frequently you need to apply. This one should not be used on broken skin. It has octisalate and zinc oxide. Okay, so octisalate, this is the one that prolongs the efficacy of the sunscreen natin. So this is really gentle as well, and this is also formulated in Japan but made in USA. So yeah, you just twist the cup like this. It's the same. Okay, so sorry I broke it. And then just put a little bit of amount. It's really very soft, fast absorb. Wala siyang white residue. It's really good. It smells nice. So, we tried this too, and we tried this also. So ngayon naman, I wanted to show you what we have here. This is the travel size. You will have the rice wash and the dewy skincare. And dewy skincare is really good for those people who want, more hydration in their skin. The dewy ritual. What's the good thing about this? It's a little bit heavy, but you don't need to apply a lot of things on your skin. You will feel really soft, hydrated throughout the day, especially those people who have dehydrated skin. This is really good. I love this one. You don't need to apply a lot of things on your skin. And if you're a kind of person who likes your skin to be showing, like that it looks healthy, dewy, looking younger, this is the perfect one. You can find this, guys, in Sephora. You can find it in Sephora. We're having it in Dubai Mall, Mall of the Emirates, Dubai Hills, Emirates City Center, and it's also available in Tatcha. So let's see. I'm gonna destroy it. I just want to show you this one. It has also the main ingredients of Tatcha products, the hadasai tree, which is the algae, the Japanese algae, the rice wash, and the Japanese tree. I just don't want to broke it, but I don't have a choice. So yeah, at last, na-open ko na siya. So let's just twist the cup like this. So we have the rice wash. Yeah, the rice wash is really elegant when you listen to rice wash. Pero ang totoo niyan, hugas-bigas lang yan mga beshiie. kaka-social lang nila. So ito kasi, ang kagandahan kasi diba, ang hugas-hugas nakakapagpaganda ng skin. So yan yung secret na mga beshiie. Yun yung sa Asian time in Japan na ginagamit nila for their beauty rituals. We don't call it regime, we call it rituals in Japan. Because it involves like ancient practice of taking care of your skin. Pasensya na sa nabubulak kong mata kasi nakalimutan ko lang ang init ng tubig. Ayan siya. Hindi ko na siya bubuksan kasi yun na talaga na ano ko na siya. Na-try ko naman na siya. So ito yung napaka-cute na travel size ng Dewy Skin. Tanan! Ayan, ito siya. Ayan. So try lang tayo ng konting-konti. Ayan. So diba guys, nagamit ko na yung ano ba ito? Yung mess sa mukha ko. So sayang nabuksan ko na yung nilagay na natin. Gamitin ko pala sana yung isa mo. Pero, okay lang. At least, subukan natin siya. So, let's keep it here aside. So, we had 3 available products for the mist, the moisturizing cream, and the wash. So far so good. I really love them. Ayoko masayang, so lagyan na natin lahat. Hindi naman kailangan sobrang i-massage yung skin mo. So what we have here is another travel size. Ito, hindi ko na siya i-open kasi actually ako tayo set it aside. So, it's for the clarifying collection of Tatcha. We had the moisturizing cream, the water cream. When we say water, it's really lightweight, oil-free. And this is really good to those people who's having acne-prone skin. It's really, really good. One of the best seller. And it has the deep cleanse. It has wild orchid and Japanese I think wild rose. So yeah guys, the thing is it has gentle exfoliating effect when you use it on your skin, but it's really, really good because you can use it morning and evening without being harsh on your skin. So yeah, this is also a travel size. You can get it also in Sephora. And yeah, so yeah, I'll just leave it here aside. Okay. So this is for this one now. It's finished. So the moment of truth. So we have this Tatcha. This is really, really I like it because there's no further for us. And this one is dedicated especially for those people who's having mature skin. Because as we mature, as we age, we started to have fine lines, wrinkles, this kind of things. So this one is the answer to your prayers, guys. Yeah. So pag medyo naghahanap kayo ng magandang skin, ito na talaga yung sagot sa dasal nyo. Huwag kayong alam mo yun, yung magkagamit ng mga chipipay dyan, baka mamaya masira pa yung skin nyo. Ayun lang. So this brand is really good. This is formulated especially to beshiie. Beshiie is a close friend of Meghan Markle. She works in the beauty industry. This product is formulated when she traveled to Japan, Tatcha, because she's pregnant that time when she had the tour. So when she had the tour, she cannot use any products. Nagkaroon siya ng she cannot use any chemical or any harsh things, especially when she's pregnant. So she discovered in Japan about how the geisha is looking really good and fresh, So she realized what is the secret in their beauty, in their timeless beauty. So we are aware that Korean brand is everywhere, but now Tatcha is here. This is also same as the Korean beauty, Korean skincare, but this is J skincare, Japanese skincare we call it. This is formulated in Japan, and this is clinically tested. So this is clinically proven. So whatever what you can see in the blogs and TikTok and the reviews, we're really having good reviews about this product because it's really good, nice and gentle. You don't need to talk about a lot of this product. People will take it because there is really results when you use this one. So let's go. So what's inside? We have a really beautiful box, as you can see. Oh my gosh, it's really nice. By the way, guys, every purchase of Tatcha, it helps the Beautiful Faces and Beautiful Futures Foundation of Miss beshiie. So every purchase our products, it will go to the foundation to provide a good and to support the education for the ladies around the globe. So in this box we have a natural, very elegant natural. So if you're planning a gift like this is one of the best options. As you can see, you can do like this, but we prefer to put it here because it would be looking messy, so it will be more elegant. So we just keep it here inside the box. This is how you can do it. See? And the good thing is it has instruction how to do it. It looks nice. I love it. Silk also. And yeah, this is the beautiful products that we have. We have the essence. We have the camellia cleansing oil, we have the clarifying polish, and we have the silk cream. So the common component of this ritual is it has silk. So let me just tell you that this is cruelty free. Okay, we didn't take it to harm anything to get the silk. Okay, what's the good thing? This one, like anyone can use it because it really is really suitable for all skin types. This is the classic one. This is the cream of our cake. It's like the cream of it's like the cherry, of Tatcha. This is really good because we're really having good feedback, and you can mix and match this one in the other rituals. So yeah, as you can see, we have this cleansing oil. Okay, it's kind of hard. So the cleansing oil, yeah. What's the good thing about the cleansing oil? When you hear it's oil, it's a greasy oil. The thing about this one is not greasy. Okay. When you apply it on your skin and you put water on it, it will turn to milk. So when you apply it on your skin, you feel really clean. I don't want to open it, just want to preserve it. So I still have the rice wash. So I'm gonna finish it one, then I'm gonna start using this one. This is really good. The texture is really nice and light and gentle, and it's not greasy. The moment it had contact with the water, it will be milky, and you will feel really clean. And what's next? Okay, we have the rice polish blossom. This one. fresh rice powder. So I'm just gonna put it back. Okay. So the thing is, this one, you just like put it on your palm, just put water on it, then massage your face for 15 seconds. Okay. And then you just wash it. This one will do a little bit of, it will do, not a little bit, it will do a gentle exfoliation on your skin to remove the dead skin like this, so that it will help to renew and regenerate the skin layers, to remove the things that it should not be there. I don't want to try it on my face. I already cleaned my face, so yeah. So yeah, this is the one. This is the main thing that I missed. Yeah, so this is the essence. So the essence. So when we say the essence, it's not really a toner. And people were thinking that it was a toner, but this one is not a toner. This one, it's made of hadesite tree, purely hadesite tree. What is hadesite tree? It's the algae, it's the rice, and the tea, Japanese tea. So the good thing about this one, you can, it will help to plump the skin also, and it will what you call, so it will give like the skincare the most, it will prolong, not even prolong, it will make it more effective. So when you apply to your skin, so the rule is, I shouldn't have put the skincare first. So yeah, so you're gonna twist it like this. Okay, I broke it. I feel bad. Okay, a yarn. So nakita nyo, this is the thing. So this one, you just need to put like 2 to 3 drops maximum. Yeah, done. So what's the thing about this one? Let's close it. You don't need to put on or just put it on. So you just put it like this. It's okay even I put the moisturizer, it's fine. You can apply the silk cream. You can mix it, it's up to you. Like this. More hydrated and like smooth. So you just like put it here, tap. You don't need to rub it. Make the skincare penetrates more in the skin, unlike when you just put it. Okay, so yeah, we have the last one of the best that we have here. Here's the silk cream. It's very cute. This is the normal size of the cream. As you can see, you have this gold spatula also on the top. You just like push it like this. Okay. This one, this is really good for aging skin, not aging, you should say like mature skin. Yeah. So this one, it has really good moisturizing silk extract with hadesite tree also, and the good thing, okay, it's really lightweight and good for normal to dry skin. So just like twist it like this. Not recognize myself also. My love will not recognize me when he will come back. So yeah, you just apply this one here. try it today. The cream and everything, the primer even. I'm so sorry we don't have the primer around. You can find it also in Sephora. The good thing is buy it even online. But all I can say is that such a product is really good. If you really wanted to check Selena Gomez use it, Jennifer Aniston and Meghan Markle, you will be shocked. They really love the brand. And yeah, so that's the end of my unboxing, and I hope you like it. It's quite long, but yeah, it's worth it. Bye! Unboxing my Tatcha essentials. Ta-da! Look what I've got. I've got the ritual for firm skin. So let's check it out, guys. So what we have here is I have the travel size for the Dewy collection. Let's open it. Let's see. That's the extra gentle about this. Yeah, we have the rice wash and the Tatcha Dewy skincare. I really love this one because this one, it's really good for my skin because I'm really having a dehydrated skin and really sensitive also. And yeah, so I will just take a video about this one. I'm not planning to open it, but just to show you, I have here the mini rice wash. So this is how it looks like. It's really cute and beautiful. And yeah, so within the collection we have also Dewy Skin Mist. So this one you can use it for prep or like after makeup as well. Or if you wanted, you can use it also as in between the day. If you don't wear anything, this is really good. This is so nice. The smells, the rice bran, the rice, the algae, and then the tea tree is so nice and really refreshing. And we have here the Silken Pore Perfecting Sunscreen. It has SPF 35. So what I wanted to tell you guys that this one, it doesn't work only as a sunscreen. It's also, you can use it as a pore blurring skincare and as a base also. It's really good as well. It will not leave you any white patches in the skin. So this is really good.